In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Jumia app not opening or responding. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Right, so if you're having any challenge with your Jumia app, maybe you're trying to open it, but it isn't responding, or you got stuck on the opening screen, then follow these steps to fix. Now, in the first method, we're going to access the app info page to fix this issue. So to do this, just right click on your Jumia app and then go ahead and click on app info. Now here on the app info page, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if you go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data on your app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data down here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Jumia app and it should be working. In most cases, this should be able to fix most of the problem. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and go back to the app info page, and this time around, you need to go ahead and choose the first option, clear all data. You have to note that this option will require you to log in afresh. But should this not solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and go to Google Play Store or App Store and look for any update for your Jumia app. So I'll go to Google Play Store and search for the app, and here you can see we have an update for this app. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you might be using an outdated version of your app, and to solve this, go ahead and update it to the latest version. This will also help in fixing issues that you might be encountering. So this will go ahead and install the latest version. Once you are done, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of your app. At this point, most of the problems should have been fixed and your app should be up and running without any issue. However, should you still encounter any challenge, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app and install it afresh to remove any bug that might be associated with the older version of Jumia online shopping app. By following any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your Jumia online shopping app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.